अरे चेतन ये
हेलो 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 हेलो
हेलो सर
is it audible?
यस सर
Okay, shall we start class? ಏನಣ್ಣ class, shall we start our class?
ఇంకెవరు రాలేదు సార్ వస్తున్నారు సార్ అందరూ
Okay. Last class what how we discussed ఏమా last class Nana, is it visible? Nana, screen, is it visible? Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. 305. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Yugandhar? Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then shall we start our class? See, all of you, today we are going to discuss, that is the remaining two phase diagrams are there. Eutectoid system phase diagram, next perictictoid phase diagram. Okay, na? See, so far what we have discussed the phase diagrams is binary isomorphous. First one is the binary isomorphous phase diagram. In this binary isomorphous phase diagram, two components are completely soluble in each other in both the liquid and solid state. Okay, they form one single phase for all compositions. Eutectic system. Eutectic system means two metals completely soluble in the liquid state and completely insoluble in the solid state. Partially eutectic also say in the same way, that is two metals are completely soluble in the liquid but only partially soluble in solid state. In this one, eutectic system or partial eutectic system, the liquid gives into gives two solids. Okay, na? Liquid, when you cool the liquid, it gives two solids, that is solid 1 plus solid 2. Okay. Partially also, partially eutectic also in the same way. Next one is the perictic. Perictic reaction, the system, the phase system. In perictic reaction, a solid and a liquid reacts isothermally. Isothermal means constant temperature to form a new solid on cooling. Yes, the reaction is expressed in general as under liquid plus solid 1 gives, that is cooling, new solid 2. See, vice versa. When you heat the solid, then it gives liquid and solid 1. This is the perictic. Eutectoid. Okay, now monotectic system is there. No need to discuss this one. No need to discuss. Okay, is it visible? Nana. Hello. Yugandhar. Pawan. Pawan.
Sir,
Hello. Amma, is it visible? The screen?
visible, sir.
Okay. See, phase diagrams, just I'm repeating again. Perictic system, Nana. Perictic system, liquid plus solid 1 gives new solid 2. Okay. Monotectic system, in this system, one liquid transforms into another liquid and one solid. Nana. Okay, na? Next, eutectide. This is important. This is a common reaction in the solid state. Nana. It is very similar to eutectic reaction, but does not involve the liquid. Yes. In this case, a solid phase transforms on cooling into two new solid phases. The general equation may be written as under solid 1 gives, that means cooling, solid 2 plus solid 3. This is the eutectoid mixture. Next one is the perictictoid. Perictictoid, this is a fairly common reaction in the solid state and appears in many alloys. The perictictoid reaction may be written in general as under C, solid 1 plus solid 2. It gives, that means cooling. When you cool these two solid phases, then it gives the new solid 3. These are the phase diagrams systems. Now, today I am going to discuss perictic system, eutectoid system, perictictoid system. Okay, all of you listen carefully and try to understand. Here, invariant reactions, only the reactions as given here. See, ectitoid, just all of you remember that invariant reaction. Okay, na? Hello? Hello?
Sir.
See, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here is this invariant reactions are important, amma. Okay, na? Eutectic liquid transform to two solids. Eutectide, one solid transform to two solids. Peritectic liquid plus solid transformed to amma, one solid. Here two solids gives one solid. Okay, first three are important. Eutectic, eutectide, peritectic. These three invariant reactions, then these are very useful in iron carbon diagram. That is the very important diagram. In iron carbon diagram, what is the importance of the iron carbon diagram is, particularly in iron carbon diagram, the steels and the cast irons will be formed in that iron carbon diagram. Okay, then I will discuss later. Today I am going to discuss that is the peritectic. Already this all the phase systems I have finished. Okay, partial electric also last class we have discussed. Now I am going to discuss that is the peritectic. Peritectic. See, hello,
Sir.
Babu. Here one phase diagram is there. That is peritectic phase diagram, Mama. That is the peritectic system. Okay, what we have discussed previous phase diagrams. This one also in the same way. Okay, na. Here also, then we will take two pure metals A and B. Then heat. Suppose if you heat A at the end here, see above, that is top, up to that is the melting point. Here B is the melting point. When you heat the two pure metals behind their melting point, then total two pure metals will be liquid. Okay, na. Both will be formed one liquid phase. Okay. Okay, Nana. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Next, what you have to do? Then cooling process. Okay, na. Then when you cool, then it gives first cooling means then we have to decrease the temperature. The temperature is okay, na. When the temperature decreases, then it forms first two phase. That is the liquid, liquid plus solid. Solid is the alpha. Okay, hello. Just all of you understand this point. Hello, mute your cell phones, please. Here liquid, then when you cool, it forms solid alpha plus liquid, liquid. Okay, na. Liquid. Solid alpha plus liquid. Then when it reaches is one temperature constant isothermal, that is the constant, that is the peritectic temperature TP. Okay, it is indicated by TP. Okay, now when it reaches, then it transformed. See here, P point is there. P point, is it visible? Hello,
Sir, visible, sir.
hello, you got that?
Visible, sir. P
Here
point.
P point is there. Here liquid plus alpha is there. Okay, na. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
It
Yes, sir.
forms
Yes,
one
sir.
solid phase. Which is the solid here? Emma, here beta, single phase. Okay, na? Single phase. This alpha, Emma, these two transformed into one single phase, that is the beta. Is it visible? Beta, Emma. This is the entirely periodic system, Emma. Periodic system invariant reaction, Emma. Okay, na? Liquid plus previously just above, just I have shown that is. See, periodic means, periodic, yeah, this one is the periodic. Liquid plus alpha gives, Emma,
Beta, sir.
beta. Just remember all of you, this is the standard reaction for a periodic system. Okay, na? First, all of you remember this invariant reactions. Eutectic liquid gives two solids, alpha plus beta. Eutectide, Emma, one solid alpha gives two solids. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, na? Understand?
Sir.
Yeah, na? Here eutectide means one solid gives two solids. Emma, perfectoid means two solid gives one solid. These are very important. Just all of remember this invariant reaction. If you understand that one, then automatically just what I am discussing, that you will be understood, Emma, easily. Okay. See here, that is the liquid plus alpha. It these two transform to one solid phase, that is the beta. Okay, this is the total periodic system. Here one example is explained here. Okay, na? That is the platinum and silver, none. Platinum and silver. Okay. See here, then I will explain that one. When the see here some data is there, theory, then all of you understand this one. When the melting point of the components are vastly together, a periodic phase diagram may be formed. Okay. In this periodic reaction, two phases which are already present together. Emma, two phases already present together. The two phases are alpha plus liquid, alpha plus liquid in a heterogeneous mixture react to produce a third phase. Third phase, one or both of the original phases disappearing in the process. Okay, just remember this point. One or both of the original phases disappearing in this process. The term periodic which means around, okay, because in this reaction, when a liquid reacts with a solid, it coats it with an envelope of the new phase. This envelope prevents the inner solid to react further. For example, platinum silver phase diagram as shown in the figure, the melting point of the components differ by more than 800. Yes, see, more than difference between the two melting points is more than 800. Yes, see, the periodic temperature of the following invariant reaction, liquid plus solid 1 gives, that is the new solid 2. Okay, in this periodic reaction, any Li containing 12 to 69% silver will begin to solidify by forming dendrites of the new solid solution alpha. But when the temperature falls, see here, that is 1185, alpha reacts with the remaining liquid to produce new solid gamma. See, new solid gamma. Yes. See, this diagram all of you understand? Hello, Babu. Is it visible?
Yes,
Visible, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
See, is it visible? The phase diagram, this phase diagram, phase diagram, Nana. Is it visible?
Visible, sir.
Tick phase diagram. Okay, two metals. That is platinum and silver. Then we took two pure metals that are heated above the melting point temperatures. The melting point temperature of platinum is 1773 degrees centigrade. That silver is 960. The difference between these two melting points is very high. Yenana? Am I? The difference between these two, okay, these two melting points is difference is nearly 800. Okay, na difference is there. Okay, here in this phase diagram, how the phases will change. Okay, na here already. I hope you are seeing this one. Okay, when you heat the two pure metals, then behind the melting point metal will be liquid state, single phase, liquid state. When it starts by cooling, okay, na when it starts cooling, then point to point. See here, we are seeing that is at the point D. See here, it becomes first liquid plus alpha. That is a solid plus alpha solution. Solid alpha. Here, particularly AE is the AE is that is the peritectic temperature line. That is the peritectic temperature is 1185. 11 degree centigrade. Then here, understand, this it gives that it transforms. Then these two transform to these two transform to which solid phase? Can you tell? Emma. New liquid. Then when the temperature is decreasing, then here alpha dendrites starts forming. Okay, alpha dendrites start forming. Here this is the liquid plus. Next one is alpha dendrites. Next one is when it is crossed with this one here, that is the delta. Delta plus liquid is there. Then when it comes down, that is here, that is the gamma. It is formed into new solid phase, that is gamma. This is that is phase diagram, peritectic phase diagram. Just all of you understand this one, that above that figure is, that is the that is model phase diagram. Here we took two, just simply A and B. Here this one is the example. Okay, now example. I hope all of you understood this one. Okay, now yes. Hello.
Sir.
Hello. Emma, have you understood this one?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Emma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next remaining two phase diagrams are there. Two phase diagrams. The two phase diagrams are, one is the tell me, one phase diagram is eutectoid. One phase diagram is eutectoid. Second one is the peritectoid. Okay, I hope you are seeing these two phase diagrams. That is the eclectide phase diagram. Next one is the perictide phase diagram. See, in eclectide phase diagram, first all of you understand. All of you should know the what is the invariant reaction of eclectide and perictide. Amma, tell me. Can you tell me that is what is the invariant reaction of eclectide phase system? Hello, eclectide phase system, Amma. Just now I have shown you that. Okay,
Two
invariant
solids
reaction.
gives one solid, sir.
Hey, eclectoid, Nana. Eclectoid. See, one solid, Nana. One solid. It gives two solids. Understand? Two different solids. Okay.
Yes,
Nana.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Two different solids. Perictectoid. Perictectoid means
Two
two
solids gives
solids.
one solid, sir.
The two solids are different. The new transformed into new solids also different solid. Okay, na? Are you able to
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See here, eclectoid phase system. Can you tell that is where the transformation exactly is there? Okay, na? In this one single solid, Emma, solution solid phase gives two solids. First of all, I hope you are seeing this eclectide phase system diagram. Then where, which point? Just can you identify this one? Transformation exactly. Just all of
T,
you see
sir.
this phase
Point
diagrams.
T. Point T, sir.
Point. Okay,
T.
Nana, just I am telling you. First, see here, as previously you have seen, yeah, just in this one, two pure metals have to take it and heat up to their melting point temperatures above melting TA and TB. The total will be in liquid state above that melting point temperature. Then, when it starts the cooling, then when they reach that one certain region, that phases will be changed. Okay, na? Yes, as per our see invariant reaction, particularly eclectide system, where that the invariant reaction exists. Can you tell? Show me first here. So many phases are there. Single phase is there. Liquid plus that is the solid. Different two solids. Next, this so many phases are there. But as per the reaction, invariant reaction, yes. Can you tell which where the solid transformed to two solids? Okay. Enana? Yugandhar?
అయిపోయింది, sir.
Okay, na. Just I will show. Enana? Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, na.
Yes, sir.
See, just I want answer from you. Tell me, remaining of you respond, please. Pawan? Pawan? Can you tell me where the exact transformation will take place? Yes. Tell me, that is, Emma, one solid phase, it gives two solids. Hello? Yugandhar?
Yes, sir. Seeing, sir.
Tell me. This is the phase diagram. Just you see that definitely you will identify. You will identify one solid phase is there. That solid phase transformed into two solid phase. At one point. Okay na? At one point is there. One point is there. When it is crossed one line, that is the eutectic temperature line.
Sir.
Hello, this phase diagram will be. Tell me, Tell me.
Alpha plus.
Tell me. First invariant reaction is one solid phase gives two solids. Here one single solid, where is it? Tell me. One single solid phase. One single solid.
Gamma, sir.
Where is it? Very good, very good. That is gamma. Okay,
Gamma.
is it right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, gamma. Gamma. It transformed to two solid phases. What are they?
Two solid phases, sir. Alpha plus
what?
gamma, sir.
See, gamma transformed, okay na, into two solid phases that are.
Gamma.
When see decreasing temperature. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Alpha plus beta, sir.
Oh, very good. Alpha plus beta. Very simple. Am I? Why you are confusing? See, here gamma is there. That gamma, when it is crossed, okay na, that is the here temperature line. That point is N. Here, that point N. Then it transforms to two solids, alpha plus beta. See, this eutectide invariant reaction is one new solid. It gives
Two new solids.
okay na. Here gamma is the new solid one. Then it transformed to the two are new. Alpha plus beta is new.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand.
Yeah,
Sir.
ma'am. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the eutectide phase system, mama. Okay na? Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Just
sir.
all of you try to understand. Very simple, mama. Okay. Next one is Next one is the that is perictectoid. Perictectoid. Yes, perictectoid phase system. Here, can you tell
Two solids.
what is
one
the
solid.
two solid? Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Can you show me where the transformation is done? Here in
Alpha.
this solid. See, you understand? Two new solids. Two must be new. Okay, na? Different. These two give one solid, one new solid. Tell me.
Alpha plus gamma gives beta, sir.
Very good. It's simple, very simple. Okay, na?
Yes,
Alpha
sir.
plus
Gamma gives beta, sir.
alpha plus gamma gives beta, nana. This is the perictectoid phase diagram, phase system. Okay, na? See,
Okay,
that remaining process is as usual compared to previous one, amma. Okay, na? Two elements A and B, we have to take it and heat above the melting point temperature. Okay, until these two becomes a liquid. Then when you cool, then different phases will be formed. Then here at the ending, that is alpha plus gamma gives, that is the beta. Okay, these are the total phase diagrams. Okay, one more important phase system is there. Okay, that is the phase diagram, that is the iron carbide phase. Hello, Enana. See, hello,
Sir.
is it visible, the screen?
Visible, sir.
See, can you tell here two phase systems are there. One is eclectoid, next one is periclectoid. Enana. See, first one is here very clearly Emma has given here, that is solid 1. Solid 1 gives Emma solid 2 plus solid solid 3. Yes. Here what are they that in phase diagram? That is alpha. Alpha gives two solids. Emma, that is beta plus gamma. When you see here
Yes,
alpha
sir.
is
Beta
there.
plus gamma.
Beta plus gamma. Okay, that is the eclectoid phase system. Emma, when you come to next one is Emma periclectoid. In periclectoid, periclectoid. See, here is solid 1 plus solid 2 gives solid 3. Yes. Here what are they? The phase transformation is, that is the beta plus
gamma gives.
Beta plus gamma equal to theta, sir.
delta. Okay, na delta. Yes, that is very clearly in this phase diagram. It has been shown. Okay, na. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Enana, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
These are the phase diagrams. Phase diagrams, Amma. Okay, so for Nana, just we have discussed 6 phase diagrams, Amma. 6 phase diagrams, that are the first one is the Nana. Which one? Hello. First phase diagram is binary
isomer system, sir.
isomer path. Binary isomer path. This one is the binary isomer path, Amma. Okay, na. Okay, that is the copper nickel. Best example, that is the binary isomer path. Okay, two, okay na, heated temperature and cooling, first liquid, then decreasing temperature and solid plus liquid. Finally, when it is crossed, that is solidus line, that is the solid. Okay,
Okay, sir.
all of you. Okay, next one is the eclectic transformation, that is the periclectic, periclectoid. Emma. Next one is the partial eclectic, just we have discussed. All are okay. Yes, these are the phase diagrams, Amma. All of you practice. First of all of you practice the phase diagrams. Okay, na? How to draw the phase diagram? First, I have shown you, that is from the cooling curves. Emma, this phase diagram can be drawn. Okay, from the cooling time temperature, cooling curve on between time and temperature. Just previous classes we have discussed. This is invariant reaction. These all are Emma, that is the phase diagram, Emma. Then one more important. Hello.
Sir.
One more important phase diagram is iron carbide phase diagram. Yes, just I am just going to explain, that is iron carbide phase diagram. See, all of you, then you can easily understand. This iron carbide phase diagram is combination of 3 phase diagrams, 3 phase systems. That is that is, what are they? That is eclectoid, periclectic. Iron carbon diagram is iron carbon diagram is, that is the combination of 3 phase diagrams. How many phase diagrams?
3 phase diagrams.
That are the, so far we have discussed. Okay, total 6 phase diagrams, 6. Okay, out of 6, 3. Okay, iron carbide diagram is combination of these 3 phase diagrams, yes. Here periodic already I have explained this one, periodic. Okay, this one. Next one is Nana. Here I hope you are seeing that is this one is iron carbide. Iron carbon diagram, iron carbide diagram we can call as. See Nana, this one is entirely combination of 3. How many phase systems? 3. See here periodic Nana. Here is periodic. Is it there or not? Nana.
Sir.
Hello. That is the alpha, liquid plus alpha gives gamma. This is
Gamma.
the periodic. Next one is euctic. Euctic means liquid. It gives rise.
It gives solid.
Solid plus solid. 2 solids. Next one is Nana. Euctictoid. Euctictoid means 1 solid.
One solid gives solid, sir. Alpha plus
2 solids. Okay, na. This is total. That is the iron carbon diagram. Before explaining this iron carbon diagram, then that is the cooling. First, we have to discuss the cooling curve for iron carbon diagram. Okay, na. See here, cooling curve. Nana, this is very, 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 very important. Cooling curve of iron carbon diagram. Yes. Here, that diagram can okay. Here, Nana, iron. Nana, can you tell iron melting point temperature? Can you tell iron melting point temperature? Pawan.
1539.
Very good, Nana. Can you tell pure iron melting point temperature, Nana? Melting point temperature is 1539 degrees centigrade. See, Nana, okay, 39. Here, the phases of iron, particularly all of you understand, different phases are there, that iron solid phases. Then how iron is transforming into different phases at different temperatures. Okay, na?
Still,
Just
sir,
you see. Okay. Just I will show you. Nana. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now is it okay?
Okay, sir.
See, Nana, this is very interesting. This one is very, very interesting. All of you. We have to take the iron first cure. Then when you heat that iron above the melting point temperature, that is the 13. Here the total iron, the total iron, yes, has been in a liquid form. Okay, na? Has been in liquid form. Then what will you do? Then we have to start cooling. Start cooling. That means here first step by step, 1539 to 400 degrees centigrade. 400 degrees centigrade. The iron transformed into delta iron. This one. Okay, liquid that is transformed to solid phase, that is the delta iron. Okay, the structure is BCC, body centered cubic structure. Have you understood?
Sir,
Hello.
understood, sir.
Hello. That is the delta. Delta, that is the solid phase. Emma, it has been strong. The liquid, that structure is BCC, body centered cubic. Next, then we have to cool. Emma, that is up to 10 degrees centigrade. Okay, 14 centigrade to 900 degrees centigrade. The iron is, Emma, in the form of gamma. Okay, that gamma, delta change it to gamma. Okay, between this temperature, Amma. Yes, here the crystal structure has been changed. Okay, crystal structure also changes. That is, here this one is the non-magnetic. The nature of iron is non-magnetic. Between, that is okay na? Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Next one is from to next 768 degrees centigrade when you cool. Is it audible? Hello. Hello, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Nana. Please tell me your problem. Please tell me your problem. Then I will rectify your problem. Okay. Here 910 to 768 between this temperature, that iron exists. Alpha phase, that crystal structure is body centered cubic. Yugandhar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See this alpha, solid phase. Okay. This alpha solid phase, that is the crystal structure is BCC, body centered cubic. This one is between this temperature range non-magnetic. Then when you cool, okay na, again this one up to, that is room temperature. Just we have to bring this one to room temperature. Here the iron exists alpha phase, same phase. Here this one is the magnetic. Magnetic. What is the nature of it? Okay na? Yes, nature is, iron nature is magnetic. Here this one is the magnetic means attracts. Okay na? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Some objects. Okay. Few objects. Here that is iron is in which structure, that is the BCC. I hope we have understood here how the iron is changing. Changing the phases, particularly different phases. First to liquid to solid, the delta. Next alpha. Okay na, different temperatures. Okay, 1400 degrees centigrade temperature is a very high temperature. Is it right? Yeah, na? At high temperature, the iron is solid, solid. In which form? 100 degrees centigrade and 910 degrees centigrade. The same iron is in a solid form, but it's changing, solid form, that is changing that phases, that is delta to gamma, that is the crystal structure also. Here non-magnetic. Here also 910 to 768 alpha. Here this one is a non-magnetic, but crystal structure is BCC at room temperature is. Finally, what we are using that iron, okay na? What we are using that iron is, okay na? That is at room temperature. Okay. That is this iron, BCC. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Have you
Yes, sir,
understood
I
this
can.
concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Time is nearly just 5 minutes are left. Okay, Nana, have you understood this one?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, tomorrow just I will explain total phase diagram. Today just only we have seen only that is cooling curve. Okay, na? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow then I will discuss that is iron carbide phase diagram. Clearly this is a very important, amma. Okay, na? It is better to all of you. Please. Hello. All of you raise your hands. Babu. All of you raise your hands. All of you raise your hands. Okay. Just all of you practice these all phase diagrams what I have discussed so far. Then all of you send what you have drawn the phase diagram to my see WhatsApp number. Okay, now I will see. Okay, okay, whether you are writing correct or drawing correct or not. Okay, na? Nana Yugandhar,
Yes, sir.
Pavan. Okay, now all of you practice all the phase diagrams. Okay, na, like drawing. Already, I hope you are drawing the chart, machine drawing charts. Okay, na.
Yes, sir. Drawing, sir.
Just these phase diagrams also. Just any just A4 sheet. Then you can take it. Simply draw all the phase diagrams. Tomorrow important phase diagram. Then I will explain. Okay, na. Tomorrow just I will finish total this chapter. Okay, na. That is first unit. Okay,
Okay,
that is
sir.
the crystal structure of alloys. Next one is this phase diagrams. Both will be finished tomorrow. Then I want from you just all of you draw all the phase diagrams neatly in on one page that is A4 sheets. Then you have to send through WhatsApp, amma. Okay, na? Then I will check all the phase diagrams. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
Nana.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyhow, just now I am closing this section. Okay.
Okay, sir.